All right, here we have right out of the box the Americanflat family tree. The tree itself is made out of bronze. It is 20 inches wide and 20 inches tall. Comes with a nice base here. The base is very thin. It's got pads on the back. 2 holes here that screw into the bottom of the tree. Also, if you look at it, it's made from bronze. Most of it is hollow, but some of it's solid here at the base. Over here we have nice leaves. They have different shapes. Some of them bend more than others, you know, and this makes it look realistic. That's the main thing. It's realistic. It's pretty solid. I mean, you can't bend this very easy. So it's not going to break. It feels like it's well made. And you can hang it off anywhere you want to. Any of the leaves. Sometimes you can just pick single spots like this and hang them. These pictures here are 2x3. They're thin, they're made out of plastic. You push this thing down, it comes out. Got a piece of cardboard, there's a picture, piece of metal there. Obviously all of it goes back in like that. Comes back together. Nice and thin, so it would tuck up towards a wall, I think, and look really, really good.